Hello Aquarius! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Yung taong to ay pwedeng new person or the person that you're currently dealing with. Pwede rin yung taong nagbabalik sa inyo. Let's see what is happening. Pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Aquarius. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Kuha tayo ng mga messages from Romance and Love, Oracle. For Aquarius, please. Aquarius, romantic situation, love, relationship. So you have one message is true love, a deep and enduring connection going beyond superficial attraction. Okay? Mas malalim na relasyon ngayon. You're dealing with a true love, Aquarius. Romance. Romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be getting surprises, okay? Maybe your person will be inviting you to go out, okay? May bibigay sa inyo ng mga gifts, mga surprises na hindi nyo inaasahan. Dressing up. An opportunity to dress up and party. Fun times ahead. Okay. Fun times ahead for you, Aquarius. Yung iba sa inyo ay single, so it's time for you to mingle, okay? Dress up and attend a party. Yung iba sa inyo, dun yung mamimit ang inyong person or new person. Okay. Let's see ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Aquarius. For some of you, you will be invited to a party. May mga gatherings, okay? And that is going to be an important or memorable occasion for you. Aquarius. Ano yung nararamdaman ng person ninyo sa inyo, Aquarius? Okay. May malalim na connection sa inyo ang person nyo. He or she feels na yung connection is deepening. Okay? Merong emotional stability. You see that your person is tinitemper niya ang kanyang emosyon. Okay? Sensitive, pero as much as possible, binabalance niya ang kanyang nararamdaman, ang kanyang emosyon to make things okay. You feel that your person is very intuitive, okay? Parang nakakaramdam siya kung ano mga nangyayari sa inyong situation. Yeah. Your person may be doing a lot of work, okay? Parang madami siyang ginagawa, marami siyang obligasyon, marami siyang task. na inaatupag. Okay. Parang emotionally, he or she is quite burdened. Kailangan niya mag-freshen up. Okay. Yeah. Maybe your person is also stressed at parang pinapakita niya na kailangan niya ng new beginning. Kailangan niya ng new routine or pagod na siya sa current niya na routine na ginagawa. He or she needs something new sa buhay niya. New events, new activities. Okay? To keep him or her going. Yeah. So, kung ano man yung mga problema, kung ano man yung mga difficulties na meron siya in your relationship, sa inyong buhay, okay, as much as possible, kinokontrol niya ang kanyang temper, ang kanyang anger, ang kanyang emosyon, because he or she wants everything to be okay. So, kinokontrol niya kahit papano, okay, to balance the relationship. Yeah. Yeah, he or she feels that there is something na kailangan mo i-reveal. Ano nararamdaman mo sa person? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You want to be close to your person. Gusto mo mag-get together sa kanya. Parang gusto mo magkaroon kayo ng certain goal na ma-accomplish. You also want to travel. Okay, the will. You want things to move forward. And to celebrate something with your person. Okay? You want your person to be understanding, to show or express his or her love. Aquarius. Yeah. You want your person to open his or her heart, to be compassionate and expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman emotionally, okay? In a positive way. Okay. Family, closeness. Okay. You are missing one another and you have to express that. He or she also needs to express that. Ibalik nyo yung dating closeness or yung pagiging friends nyo before. Ano yung friendship na meron kayo before in your relationship, parang kailangan siya ibalik, isariwa, okay? Ang inyong pagmamahalan, okay? Your person is your best friend and vice versa. Kailangan nyo magtiwala sa isa't isa. Okay? Tingnan natin. But there will be a strong foundation, okay? Kung meron lang pagtiwala sa isa't isa. Okay? Strong foundation sa inyong relationship. Merong pag-uusap about foundation, material-wise, security ng inyong relationship or ng inyong pamilya. Okay? Merong planning. Yeah. So, merong communication at pag-uusap dito. Okay, so iwasan lang ay medyo pagiging controlling because someone mayroong tendency na maging controlling at hindi siya aware. He or she is not aware na parang napupush niya yung isang tao. Okay, either you or ikaw to, Aquarius. So parang merong pag-uusap dito how you can be understanding sa isa't isa. Okay. Bottom of the deck is a Six of Wands. Both of you wants na maging successful ang inyong relationship. Okay? You have to know, both of you, kailangan yung malaman yung worth ninyo sa isa't isa. Okay? See? Why? Bakit merong High Priestess? Naramdaman ng person ninyo. Bakit High Priestess? Yeah, okay. Parang merong gustong malaman ng inyong person. Okay, the Hermit. You may be dealing with someone na very intuitive. Sharp ang memory. Sharp din ang intuition. Okay? Meron siyang gustong i-clarify, meron siyang gustong malaman. This is the Hermit. You may be dealing with an earth sign. The Hermit is a Virgo, okay? Yeah. Binabalanse, okay? Parang kailangan, yung nakikita mo sa person mo na he or she wants change. Gusto niya ma-improve ang inyong situation. That's why binabalance niya ang kanyang emotion, okay? Making things okay or alright sa relasyon ninyo as much as possible. Controlling the anger, the hurt. Sometimes okay, minsan hindi. Medyo masyadong malalim yung person ninyo. Sensitive. Sun, moon. Okay. Yeah. As much as possible, iniiwasan niya yung change. Negative change. Okay? Iniiwasan niya. That's why he or she is taming or binabalance niya lang ang kanyang nararamdaman. Making things work for both of you. Okay? Yeah. Your person is planning. Okay? Madami siyang mga vision, meron siyang mga iniisip, may mga plans, okay? Exciting things. Of course, there are challenges, but kailangan ng pag-uusap ninyong dalawa because he or she wants to let go of this Ten of Wands. So, gusto niya ng new beginning, something exciting, something na pagkakaabalahan at the same time. Meron din siyang mga tinitingnan na mga possibilities, okay, mga ways that has the potential to grow and to expand. Gusto niya merong growth na nangyayari, not only sa sarili niya, kundi sa inyong pagsasama, okay, sa inyong dalawa or sa inyong family. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you feel na minsan mayroong silent treatment from your person. Or sometimes you feel that parang ayaw mo bigyan ng atensyon. Okay. May mga iniisip ka na mga opportunities at hindi mo nabibigyan ng pansin ang inyong person. Yeah. You feel that yung relationship nyo is really fated, okay? Parang it's meant na kayong dalawa. Yeah. Mahal ninyo ang person mo and gusto mo magkaroon ng, you know, parang may turning point na gusto mo magbago ang inyong ways or inyong pagsasama. Okay? You feel that sometimes you are stuck or the relationship is not moving. Okay. Yeah. Someone feels or you feel na yung person nyo is parang hindi kayo nabibigyan ng tamang atensyon kung anong kailangan mo sa kanya. 5 of Pentacles. Okay. Maybe your person is nakaka-experience or meron din siyang mga pinagdadaanan. That is why naapektuhan ang inyong relationship. Yes. Parang lack of communication when it comes of expressing your feelings. Mga feelings ninyong dalawa. Okay? Yung understanding, parang kulang doon. Affection is kulang. Because someone is feeling left out in the cold. Ayan. For some of you, Aquarius, you need some comfort. Okay? That is the challenge na nakikita mo sa relationship nyo. Okay? So, parang kailangan mo ng kalinga, kailangan mo pag-intindi. Expression of care and love from your person. That is the challenge. Okay? Yeah, you're looking forward. The advice is you need to make some plans about your family, about getting together, the Three of Wands. You are waiting for something to happen, okay? 6 of Cups, you're missing your children, your kids, if you are married and if you have kids. 6 of Cups, you're missing your hometown. You are your family. You're waiting some news. Get together. Okay? Maybe one of your friends or yung mga friends nyo from the past biglang magko-communicate sa inyo. Okay? Magpaparamdam. Okay? Magbibigay ng good news. Something like that. 3 of Wands. Ayan. Knight of Cups. Yeah. Magkakaroon ng action, okay? In a sense of forgiveness, So, parang mag-uusap kayo ng person ninyo, no? Parang kailangan ng, na parang kailangan iparamdam kung anong nararamdaman ng isa, yung totoong nararamdaman, kung may mga concerns and issues, forgiveness. Someone will ask for forgiveness directly or indirectly, okay? Express yung feelings sa kanyang nararamdaman. You will be shown of love or vice versa, okay? Okay. So, Aquarius, open communication is needed, okay? Honesty ng inyong nararamdaman or ng person ninyo, it needs to be communicated. Someone needs kalinga, okay? Parang may kakulangan sa expression of love. And this is the challenge, yung obstacles, okay, in the relationship. Yeah. For some of you, you feel bored of the partnership or of the relationship and you want something na merong pagbabago, okay? Parang gusto mo mag-move ang inyong relationship into something better, something nice, something happy. Okay? Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga ibang messages for Aquarius? Love situation or romantic situation. Additional messages. Random messages for Aquarius, please. Will you leave me like the others? If I could go back in time, I would handle us differently. Okay. The passion I feel is overwhelming. I don't know how to handle this. I wish I could be fully honest with you. Okay. So, that's it. Yun ang mga messages for you, Aquarius. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!